Hello from the Outer Banks, North Carolina. I'm Molly Silver and I get to do your energy medicine yoga challenge today. Begin where you are, breathing in the nose and out the mouth, our EMYoga breath. Find where your collarbones attach to your sternum, come down and out about an inch into a hollow spot. It might feel a little tender. Massage, tap, thump deeply here, breathing in the nose, out the mouth. Waking up all of our energy systems. Come to your sternum, tap, thump, or massage on your sternum, stimulating your thymus gland, educating your T cells, boosting your immune system. Come to the side seam of your body, tap, thump, massage here. You might find a tender place. It might be right on the side seam or a little over toward the midline. Wherever you find the tender spot, that's where your body could use a little thumping. Boosting our metabolism, metabolizing our food, our nutrients, and our thoughts and our emotions. Everything flowing. Shake your hands off. Come to your cheekbones. Lightly tap just below your eyes on your cheekbones. There's an energy line that runs here all the way down off our feet that grounds us to the earth's energy. Marching in place, same side. So same hand to same knee, still breathing in the nose and out the mouth. Our homolado repatterning. Shake it off and cross it over, crossing the midline. There's crossover patterns that happen from the micro DNA level to the macro, where the brain hemispheres cross over. Everywhere in between and beyond, that our energies love to bolster this crossover pattern. Shake it off. Inhale the arms up and overhead and weave the arms back and forth, breathing in and out the nose now, your yogic breath, floating all the way over and hang here. Keep the knees soft, let gravity pull your upper body over, creating space. And while we're hanging out in our forward fold, we're going to clear our hand gates. In between the long bones of the hands on the front and back side, massaging down and pinching off the gullies of the hands. So keep your head relaxed. I'm just lifting up to talk. And massage these hand gates between the long bones on the palm and back side of the hand, pinching off the fingers, and then going down each finger, squeezing off the tip of the finger. Do both hands. If you find any tender places, revisit those later. And squeezing off the fingers. We're going to do our foot gates while we're still hanging out in our forward fold. So bend your knees as much as you need to be comfortable in your forward fold, and massaging the tops of the feet, going down off between the toes with some pressure. We have energy lines that run off of our fingers and off of our toes, and this is one place that energy can get congested and get stuck. So we want to make sure that these hand and foot gates are nice and clear. So we've done between the bones and off between, and we're going to pinch off each toe. And from here, come into your squat. So if you need a bit of padding, a rolled up mat, or a blanket beneath your heels, feel free to use that. Take whatever you need in your squat. Hang out here. So many benefits to our digestion and lots of processes that happen in our squat. My friend Lauren Walker says if there's two poses she does every day, it's a hang and a squat. Take your right arm up to the sky, left arm inside, coming into a twist. Flick each finger. Waking up those energy lines. Flick all the fingers together. Circle the wrist. Reverse the direction. Nice figure eights as we weave our arm back down to the earth. Bringing that arm inside the leg. Other arm goes up to the sky. Flicking each finger. Waking up those energy lines. Flicking all the fingers. Making circles with the wrist and reverse the direction. And weaving our energy field back down around us. Pressing back to your forward fold. Take your hands, clasp them behind you, and allow the hands just to fall overhead, opening up the shoulders. Hands to the low back. Begin to make circles on the low back as you come into your chair. We have a point on either side of the spine, directly behind the navel, the belly button, called the Ming Men. It's an incredible point to work with. Reverse the direction of the circles or make figure eights. Tune in and see which feels right for you. Flatten the hands, smooth the hands around the hips. Flip the hands back and forth at the groin line. Inhale, press up to stand. Exhale out the mouth, 3 audible exhales. Hands to your heart with a sigh. If you have an affirmation that you're working with or an intention that you'd like to set, bring that to mind now. And we're going to seal that into our energy field. One hand on top of the other in front of the pubic bone, inhaling up the front midline of the body, stating your affirmation. Exhale through the mouth, smooth it out into the field, resuming our EMYoga breath. Inhaling up the front midline of the body with your intention. Exhaling into the field. And third time's a charm. Inhaling up the front and exhaling into the field. Bring one finger to the belly button. Other hand comes to the third eye, the forehead in between the eyebrows. Push in and pull up. You're plugging in to 2 energetic points here, making a circuit in the body. Breathing in the nose and out the mouth. Centering. You might feel a shift, connection, a yawn, or a sigh. Release the hands. Inhale the arms up and overhead. Palms together. Hands to heart center. Thumbs to the heart. Fingers to the notch at the base of the throat. Thank you for joining me on our EMYoga challenge.